lunch stopover on Easter Sunday. We are here at Jardín sa Paraíso. Oh no, someone arrived first. It's Grogu. Okay, let's check the place out. So there are huts and there's the main restaurant area. There's the dining area. We are entering Jardín sa Paraíso for our lunch. We came from there and we are going to the main dining area. There are huts where you can eat, and then let's go and order now. We are hungry. Yes, let's order. Are we hungry? Okay, let's eat. We have pork sisig, buttered shrimp, pakbet Ilocos, and Pilawing Tanigi. Let's eat. Hungry!